So we'll take what? We'll take order date under consideration. All right. Order date under consideration. Remember, we can change our data type from here also. All right. Let us take ordered date. Now it will create what? Let us have a look at it. It will create an automatic hierarchy. All right. If we take order date and drag it in the column side, it will do what? It will create an automatic hierarchy. All right. So this is what? This is drill down, of course. And now if I basically click on this, है ना? So you can see, let me take it over here, है ना? So you can see quarter, है ना? Now quarter is not present. We have only what order date. It has automated it into year 2014, 15, 16, 17. And it has done what? It has automated it into 4 quarters. If we want to know the quarter-wise sales, we'll do what? We'll take sales and drop it into columns. All right. So this is what it is. Or we can do what? We can simply take sales and drop it into the label in the marks card, and where in marks card label. So it will give me what? It will give me sales in sorted manner, ascending sorted manner. All right. All right. Quarter of order date, year of order date, or all right. So this is what it. Or we can do what? We can sort it in descending order as well. Excuse me. We want to know the category of sales. All right. We can do what? All right, how much quarter did furniture had? We can do what? We can drop category just before year of order date. All right, and it will do what? It will basically. All right, furniture, office supplies, and technology. All right. So it gives me the. Oh no, so this is what it is. Similarly, we can do what? We can drop the subcategory over here, and now it will give me bookcases sales related to 2014 and 20. All right. Which quarter had the highest? It will sort. We can sort it over here from here. Which quarter had the highest? All right. So this is what it is. Now we can clearly observe in every furniture category in 2014 we talk about quarter 4 had the highest sales. 2014 Q4, 2014 Q4 chairs, bookcases. All right. Furnishings Q4, tables Q4 in 2014, and so on. So this is what even in office supplies as well, except binders, everything, and fasteners. All right, every other except fasteners and suppliers, binders, fasteners and suppliers. Every other subcategory had a good high Q4 ending in 2014. So these are the certain categories we can find out, or we can do what? We can simply create a hierarchy of what? Category, subcategory, all right. And simply do what? Simply drop it over here. So in this manner, it will be easy. Always drop when you see this a drop down, this orange color drop down available. That means you have to drop before order date, or this means you have to drop before quarter and after year. That is between year and quarter, and this means after quarter. Now, if we quickly expand this, it will do what? It will create a category and subcategory. It will create what? Category and subcategory. All right. So that's how we create hierarchy. Now let us do what? Let us remove this. All right. And let us create more and more. Quarter date, it still has a drill down month. Now it is giving us what? It is giving us month of quarter 4, Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1, है ना? So this is what we can similarly use category. We can take a category, subcategory again, and see the month of what bookcases, what sales were there in November. In Q4, which month performed the highest? Oh, sorry. We can do what? We can take category already. In furniture, which month performed the highest? December performed the highest in Q4. In 2017, November was the month that performed high in Q4. Alright, so these are the analysis that we can make and document. In technology in 2017, in Q4 again November, Q3 September, lowest was August. Alright, Q1 March, February was the lowest, June was high, April was the lowest. We still have a drill down. Alright, day. It says what day? What day? 1st of June, 28th of June, 22 of June. How much sales did we make in furniture and everything? So it is a long data to read. Alright, so how much sales did we make? If we want to extract out a particular day of the data. Alright, any doubts? Any doubts anyone has? And we can do what? We can ultimately sort and look at what? Look at the month of November where the highest sale was there. So in the month of November, the highest sale was the December highest sale, 22nd of December, and so on. So this is what hierarchies are all about. Or we can do it just write year over here, click on this drill down. Everything will get closed. Alright, similarly category, everything will get closed. Alright. So this is what we can do with hierarchies. Alright. Alright, drill down and this was what? This was drill down and what hierarchy, alright.